So, yung kanina, low leg lift yan, no? Okay, so this time, you will cross it, okay, dun sa harapan na paa ninyo. Okay? Para siyang leg lift, instead na paharap, na diretso, okay, kumukross siya. Okay? From the other leg. Okay? At again, waist level, yung pagtaas, at matigas or straight ang mga paa. The next one, okay, that we will be performing is what we call the side leg lift. The side leg lift. So kung kanina, okay, nung pinerform natin ang cross leg lift, nasa likod ng paa, ang side leg lift, okay, nakadikit ang paa. Now what will you do? Okay, you lift your leg, okay, sidewards. Okay, so you have two kinds of stretches, okay, for your legs, okay, for your limbs, okay, for this next type of kick, okay. Okay. Now remember, okay, una muna natin ay what ang tinatawag natin na inside, in-out kick. So yung nasa harapan natin, okay, that is considered the inside. Okay? At yung nasa side naman natin, that is what we call the outside. So when you say in-out kick, that means it's a kick, okay, na nagmumula sa inside, papunta sa labas. Okay, so that means, okay, it's a kick na nakikita yung paa ko, pabilog. So this is what, okay, umiikot hanggang palikod. Now, when you perform this cross leg lift, make sure, okay, na nasa chest level, okay, ang sinisipan niyo. Hindi mababa lang. Now, okay. So this time naman, okay, so that's the in-out kick. So ngayon naman, i-perform natin ang out-in. So, kung out-in naman siya, ibig sabihin, ito ay isang sipa na nagmumula sa labas, papunta sa loob. Okay?